All right, everyone. Earlier this hour, you saw asset management firm Harbor Capital Advisors ring the opening bell to celebrate its lineups of ETFs listed here on the stock exchange. I want to send things down to Ashley Mastronardi on the trading floor with more on this story. Ashley, over to you.
Hi again, Kristen. We are joined now by our bell ringer, Christoph Gleisch, Harbor CIO and President. Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here.
So tell me, what was it like to ring the opening bell? Was it your first time?
It's what better way to start the day? Just being here, this fusion of history, of innovation, the home of capital markets globally. It's just so exciting to be here.
And the home of ETFs. So tell me, what ETFs are we celebrating today? I know it's 4 that you recently launched.
So we're celebrating 4 ETFs. So we're celebrating the tickers very quickly: Hedger, Sci-Hi, Medi, and Happy. What makes these ETFs different is their performance. So recently these ETFs were each awarded 5 stars by Morningstar. So these are the best of the best. So they've just all passed their 3-year anniversary, and they're delivering, most importantly, strong returns for our investors and our clients.
What makes them stand out, as you mentioned?
So that's their differentiated approach to active management. So at Harbor Capital Advisors, you can think of us as like a scout for a sports team, where we're scouting investors from across the globe, trying to find the best active managers in their specific domain or asset class, whether it's commodities or equities or fixed income. And it's just a real privilege to be able to celebrate 4 of our wonderful partner firms that are delivering those strong returns for our clients.
And can you take us to which sectors each ETF is focusing on?
For sure. So Hedger is commodities. So it's a commodities-focused ETF. It's an all-weather approach, and we think commodities are underutilized today in client portfolios, and we're actually bullish on commodities as a way of complementing returns in this environment. We have Sci-Hi, which is a systematically oriented approach to credit selection within high yield. That's got phenomenal performance as well. We have Medi. We think Medi, which is a healthcare ETF. We think the healthcare sector is interesting. It's getting more interesting, and it's right for a distinctive active approach to add true alpha. And then last, by no means least, we have Happy, which is an ETF that invests in businesses with the best corporate culture, the most engaged workforces. And really the lesson from that ETF is doing the right thing by your employees ultimately results in, we believe, superior shareholder returns through the cycle.
And I understand that you've amassed $5 billion in the past, in under actually 4 years with your ETF offerings. How did you reach that milestone?
So absolutely. So really the foundation for all of this is performance. We're in the business of helping clients across the country, financial advisors, building better, more durable, return-enhancing or diversifying portfolios. And the foundation of that is strong investor returns. And then, being very thoughtful about where we launch different ETFs to make sure that we're filling what we feel is an unmet need in the marketplace. And then obviously wonderful efforts on distribution and bringing all those things together. We're lucky we're at 5 billion, but the message is we're just beginning, we're just getting going, and we hope very much to double our ETF assets in the next year.
All right, Christoph Gleisch, Harbor CIO and President, thank you so much for joining us and for ringing the opening bell this morning at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you so much.
All right, Kristen, I'm going to send things back up to you in the studio. As always, it's an exciting morning post-bell here on the floor.
Absolutely. Ashley Mastronardi live for us down there amid the action. Ashley, thank you as always.